Welcome to our guide to the best high-tech gadgets you and your pet can enjoy this year. Technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and it's now easier than ever to keep your furry friend entertained and healthy with the latest tech. We've rounded up the best high-tech gadgets you can buy this year that both you and your pet will love. So sit back and get ready to discover the latest and greatest in pet tech. ForCatCare Electric Toothbrush. The purring electric toothbrush for cats by ForCatCare is a revolutionary product for cat parents. It is a soft silicone head that is gentle on the gums and can be sterilized 100% with boiling water. This toothbrush also relieves inflammation of the gums and regenerates them by shaking the periodontal pocket. It is also easy to use and cats can adjust to it with time. To make it even better, a new anti-static comb has been added that prevents static electricity from occurring while combing the winter fur. This product is a must-have for all cat parents who want to take care of their cat's oral health and overall well-being. DearBuds PE. The DearBuds PE is a revolutionary device that helps pet owners easily dehumidify their pet's ears quickly and safely. With its noise-free design, the device ensures your pet is not startled or scared by loud noises. The device is also optimized for pets' unique ear structure and includes a variety of ear tips to fit any pet. Additionally, the DearBuds Connect mobile app allows you to choose from 3 modes to fit your pet's activity. The application also allows multiple smartphones to connect to one device and multiple devices to connect to one smartphone. Finally, the device can also be used as a real-time home monitor and control humidity as desired. All in all, the DearBuds PE is a great tool for any pet owner who wants to keep their pet's ears healthy and safe.